It really is all about truly free. Truly free cleaning products. You guys are in for a great show today. Hi there, I'm Angela Brown. This is Ask a House Cleaner, and we're also streaming live today to our Airbnb show, Turnover Cleaning Tips. So I'm super excited about our guest today, Maria Mooney, and she is the marketing director over at Truly Free Products. It's a company that started back in 2008, right about the time that all of us became really aware that there was a better way to clean. So I'm really excited about the truly free cleaning products that we're going to learn about today. So please help me welcome Maria Mooney.
Hi, everyone. Thanks for having me today, Angela.
Tell me about professional house cleaners because a lot of professional house cleaners don't actually do laundry. They do if they're
hmm
doing a mommy's helper package. They're popping in and they're helping tidy up in the morning. But for the most part, for regular cleaning, we don't do laundry. So
hmm
walk us through a scenario of what is the proper way to do a load of laundry and then share
hmm
with us how we would use your products in tandem with the solution or how you go about doing that.
Yep, absolutely. So, really, when doing laundry, I think it's a matter of looking at everything you have and separating what you have, right? So, I tend to separate the whites from if you have like athletic wear or a certain type of clothing that needs to be washed separately or professional clothing, things like that. So I think it's really important to sort what you have because then you'll better identify like, okay, if I'm doing a load of whites, they need to be washed in the hot water and they need not only the laundry wash, but they need something that's going to brighten it, like an oxy boost, or we have like an enzyme stain remover that will remove, the dirt and the grime and the dark socks and the sheets that have kind of that dingy look to them. So really identifying what needs to be washed in what color. The good thing is our Oxy Boost that we have here, this is a brightener, but it also is color safe. So you can use it with your color clothes. Like if you have towels that are colored or multicolored, whatever, it's safe for color. So that's great. So yeah, you separate your towels, things that need to be washed in hot water, whites, things that you want to really brighten. And you kind of just look at what you're doing and figure out what temperatures they need to be washed in. What really do they need? So if they need to be brightened, then obviously they need some sort of enzyme, right? They need something that's going to break up stains, that's going to brighten it and whiten it. But the good thing is our products work in either or. So if you did wash it in cold water, it'll definitely work. The OxyBoost tends to be a little bit more stronger within hot water as it
Mhm.
activates and it'll start to bubble up and really break up those stains. If you have stains and you need to pre-treat, right? You can use the heavy duty degreaser. We have like an odor and stain eliminator that you can pre-treat.
Can you tell us about that for a minute, the odor and stain remover? Because we have
Yeah.
a lot of parents that have
Yeah.
babies, and then the babies spit
Yes.
up, and they have these protein stains where the spit up, I don't know why, but it
I don't
ruins all
think I
the
have those.
clothing.
Yes. So we have an odor and stain eliminator product. It is amazing. I would say it's one of my favorite products because not only you can use it as like a pre-treat, but you can spray and clean like garbage cans. I use it for even on pillows, things that you can't wash, right? Like
Uh-huh.
decorative pillows, couches. I actually even use it like my son plays sports and he plays hockey and there's some equipment that I just can't wash. I can spray it on that. You can spray it on shoes. So there's a lot of great things that you can use it, but you can also use it as a pre-treat as well for laundry. And it removes like stains on carpets. It removes stains on clothing. It's a great versatile product. And I think, when we look to develop a lot of products, we always look at what are multi-uses like a product could have, right? Or what else could they tackle? Like what other stains could they use? How could they use it around their home? And what other toxic chemicals could we replace with just this one product? So that's what we really try to do when we look at the multiple uses we can create with that.
And I'm looking at your display here, and that's really impressive. I see that you have some are those glass bottles or those plastic bottles?
Those are recycled plastic.
Okay.
Yep, refillable. So those are refillable recycled plastic.
And so I'm guessing this is the same kind of concept where this is part of a subscription and you get the jug one time and then the rest of it comes in a refillable pouch or something? Is that the same?
Yes, majority of them all have refills. And I'll show you our cleaning caddy here. So these are what the refills look like. So you have like the bathroom cleaner, glass cleaners. They each come with refills. So the first time you order, same thing with the actual cleaning bottles. You'll get the bottle the first time, get
What
the
size is
refill.
that bottle? Is that a 16
This
ounce?
16 ounce.
Ah, it's gonna fit perfectly on your apron.
Perfectly. Yeah, we do have 16 ounces. We do have some smaller ones that are like wooden furniture polish, stain and steel cleansing polish is a 12 ounce. Those are a little bit smaller, but the majority of our big ones are 16 ounces.
Uh-huh. Nice. Do you guys also sell
Yep.
that cleaning caddy?
We do.
That's
Yep. This
really
is our,
cool.
yep.
That's
We
really
do that.
cool. I'm thinking for Christmas this year, that would be an awesome Christmas gift. If anybody wants to send me that cleaning caddy, that would be awesome.
Angela, I will send you that cleaning fanny.
Why not ask for what you really want, huh? But I love learning about stuff like this, especially because since the pandemic, we've become really consciously aware of
Yeah.
the chemicals, the earth, cleaning, sanitizing, disinfecting,
Mhm.
choosing a better way of having chemicals inside our homes. And many people are so sensitive these days.
Mhm.
I don't know why. I grew up with
Yeah.
no allergies. I grew up out in the country. Everything was natural, everything was organic. I was just fine. Then I moved into the
Mhm.
world of house cleaning, and oh my goodness, my eyes would just turn bloodshot red. My nose would clog up, and I'm
Wow.
like,
Yeah.
"Whoa." And then every day when I would get home, it was like I had to do a detox because my whole body was just kind of like, "Whoa." And then that's where you go into the apple cider vinegar, lemon juice to try to like purge your system, like before
Yeah.
the next day of going
Yeah.
back to work again, you know?
It's funny you say that because I was thinking about that recently. It's the old way of cleaning, right? I was laughing the other day. I was remembering this, like cleaning your bathroom. You're getting suited up, you're getting your rubber gloves, you're getting your bucket, you're getting your bleach, you're getting all these things. It's the dead of winter. And my husband comes in and he'll say, "Why do you have the window open?" It's like, "'Cause I can't breathe."
Mhm.
But that was the norm. If you have to clean, you have to be to the point where you almost can't breathe, you're asphyxiating yourself, but I'm gonna clean this bathroom. And that's kind of what was the norm, and you think about that and how many times I know that I've done it, I've seen my mom do it, and that was just the way of cleaning, but that's not the way anymore, right? Like, a lot of these products are effective. You don't have to use toxic chemicals to get your house clean.
I want to say thank you so much for coming on the show. This was really awesome. I just really appreciate it.
Thank you so much for having me. We really appreciate it.
Is there anything you want to leave with us before we close today?
Thank you everyone for the time and really taking the time to learn about this, and anything we can do to help, we're always here to serve you. So thank you again. Really appreciate it.
Thank you so much. And thank you, Truly Free.